Hello everyone, and welcome back to Quick English.
My name is Nick.
And I am Kat. We are so glad you joined us again. Thank you for your support. On Quick English, we always use very simple English with easy words only. We speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every sentence and improve your listening and speaking skills day by day.
Today we have a fresh new topic. We will talk about seasons, festivals, clothes, and daily habits. This will be another long and helpful conversation. Relax and enjoy learning with us.
Let's begin with seasons. There are 4 seasons in many places: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Nick, which season do you like the most?
I like summer the most. In summer, the days are long and sunny. I can play outside, swim in the river, and eat ice cream. The weather is hot, but I feel full of energy. What about you, Kat?
I like spring. In spring, flowers bloom everywhere. Trees get new green leaves. The weather is warm but not too hot. Birds sing happy songs. Everything feels fresh and new.
Autumn is also beautiful. Leaves change color to yellow, orange, and red. The air is cool. We can wear light jackets. Winter is cold. Sometimes it snows. Everything becomes white and quiet. We drink hot drinks and stay warm inside.
Each season has its own beauty and activities. We can learn many words from seasons: hot, cold, warm, cool, rainy, snowy, sunny, cloudy, windy.
Yes, now let's talk about festivals. Festivals are special times of the year.
I love festivals. During festivals, we wear new clothes, eat special food, meet family and friends, and enjoy lights and music. My favorite festival is New Year. We make wishes and watch fireworks.
I like harvest festivals and cultural festivals. People dance, sing traditional songs, and share food. Festivals bring happiness and unity. They help us remember our culture and history.
On festivals, we feel grateful. We thank our parents, teachers, and nature. Festivals are good opportunities to practice English by talking with people.
Now, clothes. We wear different clothes in different seasons and occasions.
In summer, we wear light cotton clothes, like t-shirts and shorts. In winter, we wear warm clothes, like jackets, sweaters, scarves, and gloves. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain.
I like comfortable clothes. For school, I wear uniform. At home, I wear simple t-shirt and pants. Girls often wear dresses on festivals. Clothes can show our personality and culture.
We should keep our clothes clean. Wash them regularly. This is part of good hygiene.
Let's move to daily habits. Daily habits are things we do every day that shape our life.
Good daily habits include waking up early, drinking water, eating healthy breakfast, exercising, studying, and sleeping on time. These habits make us healthy and successful.
I wake up at 6:30, brush my teeth, wash my face, do some stretching, eat breakfast, then go to school. After school, I do homework, help my parents, play a little, and read before sleep.
My habits are similar. I also try to be kind every day, say thank you, and practice English for 15 minutes. Small habits done consistently give big results over time.
Bad habits like too much screen time, eating junk food, or sleeping late can harm us. We should replace bad habits with good ones slowly.
Yes, discipline and good habits help us achieve our goals.
Let's connect everything. In different seasons, we wear different clothes and celebrate different festivals. Our daily habits stay with us through all seasons and make our life better.
Now it is time for practice. Repeat these sentences after us.
Spring is my favorite season because of the flowers.
I love celebrating festivals with my family.
I wear light clothes in summer.
Good daily habits make me healthy and happy.
I practice English every day.
Festivals bring joy and togetherness.
Excellent! You are learning very well. Repeat these sentences many times every morning and night.
Friends, English is not difficult if you practice regularly with interest. Talk about seasons, festivals, clothes, and habits in English. This makes learning natural.
We make these long videos so you get enough listening time and feel confident with real conversations.
Please support us. Like this video, subscribe to Quick English, turn on the notification bell so you never miss new episodes.
Now share your thoughts in the comments. Which season do you like most and why? What is your favorite festival? What clothes do you like to wear? What are your good daily habits? How do you practice English every day?
We read many of your comments and create new videos based on your suggestions. Your feedback is very valuable.
Thank you so much for watching this long episode until the end. You are dedicated, and we appreciate you a lot.
Stay healthy, keep good habits, enjoy every season of life, and continue learning English with joy.
See you in the next big episode. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.